Hey everyone, David from the Post team at In-House Solutions, here to show you how to add a sub-spindle to your IKE lathe post. So let's get into it. So normally we would do this for you. This is something that would be set up in the post from the beginning, but if for some reason you find yourself needing that sub-spindle and your post is licensed for it, I'll show you how to do it. So just make sure you choose the lathe machine definition. I'm using our generic Fanuc lathe. Could be any of them. Go to the machine definition, and in axis combinations you'll see we have left upper stream 1. So we need that right spindle group with the same upper tools. Now here's the very important part with this right upper axis combination. You also need to make sure you put the right stream number. They're both stream 1, single stream machine. Now you need to choose the Z or Z axis on the upper tools group, not the right spindles group. It's just a little trick of the trade. Make sure you do that properly. And honestly, that's everything right there. It's done. Hit save. You can leave the video now if you like, but if you want to see it actually proven out, if you don't believe me, let's open up a part file, see how it looks like in the code. I'm just going to open up a sample file. IKE lathe sample part. No need to save. So like I said, normally we would do this for you, but if you find yourself here, you'll see how easy it was. This part already has cut-off, pick-off operations. It's easy to program just using those part handling operation, the pick-off, pull-off, pick, pull, cut off. So here you go, just proving it. It has the second axis combo. I'm gonna click OK, post it out. I personally always do regen. Sometimes there's a dirty operation or a bug that might be sitting around, so just a refresh should clean that up. Right, the back plot and everything is looking good. So let's post it out. Again, your post needs to be licensed for this. If it's not, then you're going to get an error saying that you can't do this. But there we go, post it out. I'm going to search for cutoff just to get to the second sub spindle there. So there you go. That gets into the POCO, does the POCO routine, which is built into all of our IKE lathe posts. And now it's a sub spindle code. There it is, easy as that.